Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Once again, welcome on board. My name is Aminata. Tonight, I'm going to share with you how to, scalp the market, how to combine three different indicators after drawing your support and resistance and make your good entries. I tried it. It worked for me 80% of 100. And the 20% that it fails is the ones that maybe go against me. Okay, so I'm coming to share it with you. You pay attention and you also go and try it. If you don't try it, you don't practice it, you cannot know whether it works or not. If you are trying it, try it with small amount of money, like $5, $10 maximum, and repeat it like between 5 and 10 times. If you do this one, you repeat, you repeat, you repeat, you repeat. If it is giving you the results, meaning if you are winning all the ones that you are repeating, then it means you will have the confidence that what I'm doing is good and it's working perfectly. So why not put in big amount of money to do it? So, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to share my screen, and I'll go straight to um, my TradingView app because that is where we are going to check the market. Okay. So just a minute, please. I'm logging in my TradingView account. Just a minute, please. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Let me see. Perfect, perfect. Now we are in the market. Okay, so I'm going to share it now. Share. Then we go. Okay, I hope you are seeing my screen. Can you let me know in the chat whether you are seeing my screen or no? Please drop me a one in the chat if you are seeing my screen or no. Drop me a one in the chat if you are seeing my screen. If you are not seeing it, then drop me a two, please. Are you seeing my screen? Let me see. Okay, great. Thank you very much. So let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the TradingView app where we follow our coins, which are our selected cryptos that we trade in our Royal Q app. Okay, so as a trader, you need to be organized and make your selections of crypto, or you put a group of cryptos in a way that you will be following them, will be watching them, then you later take your decision. So what you are seeing here is what I love, the perfect thing that I love. The market that is bleeding, because traders make money when the market bleeds, but some fanatic traders that don't understand the crypto system, they'll be shouting there that so much floating loss. Though I hate floating loss, I don't like floating loss, but it is in the floating loss, which is in the activities that are down, that we make. You can make the money. You make the money when the activities are down in the crypto space. You don't make the money when there's too much of noise that this one is going up, this one is pumping, this one, they say this one has overbought this one. That one is high risk. Okay. You cool down, you follow your plans, and you make your perfect entries. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you come here on your TradingView app, let me see, my marker is there. Okay. You, after making your selections of coins, I will not go too much in the details because we have so many videos on our YouTube channel, which is, I think, Revolution channel, where the leaders, my colleagues, explain to you how to explore this application called TradingView. Okay, TradingView, this is the icon here. So once you have your coins here, then you go here to these three dots, as in Royal Q, to range them by percentage, to arrange them. The ones doing good, which is the ones that are in green, that the prices gone up, and the ones doing bad, which are the ones in deep red with negative of percentages. Okay, so when you come here, you type on the three dots, simply type there. Then you tap on sort by results. Then you will see many sort by symbol, by prices, by change, then by percentage. This one with the percentage icon, it will show you the percentages of the coin. The other one will show you the prices, but what matters here, what we are going to focus on is the percentage, okay? So when you tap on it, it will range them for you in order. Are you seeing it? It has ranged them. The one doing big negative to the one in green down. So when I scroll down, down, you see that down here are the few ones doing good. In the money, the majority were green, in green. Now they are going in deep, which is the activity is going down now, okay? So those ones who are smart and those ones who understand the crypto industry, this is where they make their entries and make the good profit, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, when you come here, you pick the one, you make your analysis. It doesn't mean if they ask you to come on TradingView and maybe check what is going on, it doesn't by force mean you have to buy or you need to get the money to do it. No, it means you are coming to train yourself. If you don't know how to trade, you are coming to try. You want to give it a try, because if you don't try it, you cannot know whether it works or not. So you need to try it, then you will get the confidence. If it works, then you will later decide. So even though you don't have money to trade, either you have small capital or you don't have money, you have to train yourself during the period of when the activities are down, where everybody is running far away from crypto in the name of the market is bleeding, me, I will not trade. That is where you're supposed to calmly learn or practice whatever you want to do. Okay, so here we are going to try with the deepest one. So these coins that you are seeing here, they are the coins that we trade in the future, because they are with .p, perpetua. The spot ones ends with only USDT. Okay, so here I was doing my how do you call it, my training with this one, with this epic, because in the evening time around in between 4 and 5 p.m., which is my European time here, all these ones were in less negative, and this one was on negative 13%. So I'll continue here and I will explain to you. So let me type on it, which is epic. 2 days ago I tried with OG, BUSD, and how do you call it, SKY, and it has delivered good profit, even though I try with small money. I will show you later. Okay, so here you come on this here to go on a graphic. I will speak the simplest English for you to understand. So ladies and gentlemen, I want you to notice that before I start, I want you to put in your mind that any crypto, okay, any cryptocurrency, let me remove everything here, then we'll start afresh. Okay, any cryptocurrency that you will see that has maybe over pump today, don't trade it the following day. No, don't say it has over pumped and tomorrow I see it tomorrow in deep, so I'll trade it. No, that one will make you shake it. Don't trade it. Leave it, make it rest like 2 days or 3 days before you go for it, because the same way it pumps and give that big profit, give that big, huge profit. That's the same way it dumps, and it can even over dump. It can even go more deep than where it was before. So you have to put that in your mind. Okay, so let's go. This coin, I think 3 days ago or 4 days, it went higher here. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. So epic, the name of the coin is epic. So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to remove this indicator called the Bollinger Band. Okay, I will tap on it and I'll hide it for you to see clearly the chart. Okay, so as you can see here, let me remove this because I drew it some few minutes ago. As you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm using 1 hour time frame. Okay, and this coin, I was following it when it was higher. You see, so I draw my rectangular line in case if it is falling down, and this is the right time. Now it has started falling down. You see, my rectangular was here. So it means I am expecting either here or here. For it to fall down, then I enter. Then if you enter, maybe it can give you profit from here to halfway. Okay. So if you come on your chart, let's remove all this. Let's remove all this. Okay. If you come on your chart, ladies and gentlemen, you have to make sure to make your graphic, your candles, show you the form of the zigzag, which is the A or the V, the bending V or the W or the M. Don't make it like this. No. Make sure you shift it to the center of your screen, which is, here. Okay? Don't let the candles go back and hide back here. May the end of the candles be in the center here, because the market moves from your left to your right side in the direction of A, B, C, D, which is you start A, B, C, D up to Z. Okay? So now, what are we looking for? We are looking for, comparing to the present, this is the present of the coin. My how do you call it? Let me see in the chart. My co-host, please, if maybe I am preaching and I'm out of the Zoom because of network or by mistake, may you send me a message immediately or flash me, then I will come back, because sometimes if I'm talking like this, I mistakenly walk out from the Zoom without knowing. So thank you in advance if you are okay with that. Let's go. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are trading, I'm explaining it well in the simple English for the newbies to also understand, because if don't hang on your upline or your mentor, or in fact they will help you, but you have to also fight for your financial freedom. Don't choose the easier way. No, it's not good, because if you are hanging on your upline or your mentor, what of if the day the person is sick or the person is not there? The person is no longer there. What are you going to do? Will you sit down and wait for the person to come back? No. So you need to learn. It is a must, okay? So if you come on your graphic, you can either use 4 hours or 1 hour time frame, okay? You just try it. So I usually take 4 hours to make my analysis, then I come in the 1 hour to see what is happening, because 1 hour is near than the 4 hours. So here on the graphic, I choose the 4 hours because I choose the 1 hour. I choose the 1 hour because it has drawn perfectly the candles for me, which is, the zigzag, you see, zig, zag, and zag, okay? Zigzag, 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 and zig. So you have to put in mind that crypto repeats 80% what it did in the past. It repeats it in the future. Meaning, if the nearest past was an uptrend, then maybe in the future it will go back to the uptrend. If the nearest past was a downtrend, then in the future it will go back. So you see here, when I scroll my screen here, you can see that where the nearest past after this, it was here, okay? The nearest past, which is the uptrend, was here, and the nearest the lowest area was this side. So you see, it came from here, it went here. Let me draw a line. Then from there, it went here. So you see, it even went higher than the past. Then the future, which is this place going there, you see, it is going to where it was before. So if you know that in your mind, then you can also win 80 or 70% of your trades, okay? And the day you don't win the trade, you have to tell yourself that you don't control the market, or the signal sender doesn't control the market. The sentiment of the market can change when maybe Mr. X is deciding to sell his quantity of crypto in Nigeria. I, Madam W, am deciding to buy. So buy and sell, buy and sell. That's why it goes the zig, zag, zig, and the zag. Okay. So here, what we are looking for is, before I start, sometimes when you are new and you are scrolling this graphic, it gives headache. So I want to show you how to do it. You simply put one finger here, and you scroll it. Yeah, you zoom it like east-west, okay? you do it like the east-west, east-west. Then if you want it to be long and short, you put one finger here, one finger here. Then you do north, south, north, south. Are you seeing it? North, south, north, south, north, south. Okay? So sometimes when you ask people to show you their graphic, they will come and show it like this. No. Make it properly work. Yeah. You see, it has drawn the perfect M here, here, here. You see, here and here, and W and V and burning A. Okay, so now we are going to put our supports and resistance lines and focus on some areas that we want to be. Okay, so here, where the candle changes the direction, where the market changes the direction, I'm going to draw, that is where I'm going to draw my lines, okay? It means anywhere you see the zig form or the A form, which is where the starting starts here and end, you can draw a line. Where it starts here and end, you can draw your line. Where it starts and end here, where it's changed the direction, I mean, you draw your lines, you draw your lines, you draw your lines, you see? So it shows you the perfect zigzag. Even though you draw and it's not perfect, it's not perfect, 100%, it's not a problem, okay? So here, according to this direction here, I'm going to put my line on the nearest uptrend, the nearest up, okay? Here is the present, and here was the past. Here also was the past. So comparing here to here, this place is lower than here. This place is lower than this present, you see? And here is higher than here. So I'm going to pick the pencil, then I tap here and I take what we call the horizontal line or ray, okay? So you see why they used to tell you, always come in Zoom, don't say I know, because the person will repeat. This graphic of TradingView, it wasn't like this before. Now it has changed. It has changed the directions where how do you call it? The lines and the draw lines are. So you need to type the name, or it wasn't here before. So you see, if you don't come on Zoom, you cannot know. So now I'm going to take the ray instead of the line. This, you see, horizontal ray and the line. What is the difference? The line crosses all your screen, but the ray starts at a specific place where you draw it. Okay, so I will use the ray, then I'll put it up here. Not too much up, but where the red candle started here. Okay, then I tap on it once, you see? So I have a specific area that I want to target, you see? Now, I'm going to take another one. I tap on the pencil, I tap on the search, then I take again the ray, then I put it down, where the down. It means the lowest area than this present. This is the present. The point is going like this. This is the present. So the lowest area, compare it to here, I'll put it here. I'll make it very simple here. Okay, then I tap on it. So now, what is my focus? My focus is, I want to see whether these candles that are falling down, are they going to touch this my line that I draw here, which is called the support line? If we touch it, then it means what I predicted has happened. Okay, then I'll wait and see. Will it break it down, or will it return back to where it came from? That is why you or I decide to draw the lines, to know which side is the candle able to go and reach before it returns. Will it go up, back, or continue down? Okay, so whenever this candle, listen to me, whenever this candle touch this line and break it down, going down again, then I'll go in the past again to look at the lowest area than this place. Then I'll draw another line, you see? If it keep on going down, I'll be looking for lowest past place and I draw another line. The same way, in the opposite way. Okay, so you see, I'll limit myself here because it's showing me the perfect red down. I'm speaking the simple English for you to understand. Here was green up. Okay, so I will stop myself here. Now, what will I do? I will now go for another extra confidence, which are the indicators. Okay, so on this graphic, you can see that A plus B is telling you that the candles are going down, which is the market is down. Okay, so first condition before you come and do your any of your drawing or any of your analysis, your technical analysis, you have to rate the coins as I said it and pick one of them, the one that is in deep. This one is telling you it is in deep, minus 9%. It is in deep. From 8% and above, it means it is down, it's deep, okay? So you take the one because I started with this. So I'll go for this, 9%. You can do it on many coins as possible. Then to enter the coin in a long position, not down, in the long position, because this is showing me that it has gone down, deeply down, 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 and it will not take time to go back up. So I'm going to take my decision on longing it, okay? But I'll make my good entry. So here, as you can see now, I'm going to pick one of the indicators, the three that I mentioned, because I'm going to combine three indicators. If they say yes, 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 then I enter it, okay? So I'm going to take the Bollinger Band because the Bollinger Band is suitable when you use it in a downtrend. That is my opinion, in a downtrend. So I will go on the chart here. Before, if you go on the indicators, after this pencil, you will see here, you will tap here and it will show you the indicators. But now you need to tap on the three dots. You see that it has changed. So when I tap on it, then I will see indicators, okay? Then I go for it. I have it on my screen already, but I'm going for it to show you. If you are going for the first time, then you go on favorite. If you already, you go on technical. But if you have them already, then you go on favorite because you have starred them. You see, that's why they put the star. You go on your favorite because you have put the star on, okay? So as I have it, I will go on favorite. But if I don't have it, then I will come and tap on the technical. When I tap on technical, I come here in the search bar. Then I look for what we call the Bollinger Band, okay? Bollinger Band, you see, Bollinger Band. There is a star because I put it in my favorite. Then I go for it, okay? I will not tap it 2 times because I already have it. So I'm going to the chart here. So that is where you can get your indicators. So I'm going back to the chart. So the Bollinger Band, where is it? Let me see whether it's here. No, it's not here. Then I'll go for, okay, let me see. Okay, it's there, great. The Bollinger Band is there. You see, so in the Bollinger Band settings, the videos are there on the how do you call it? As I said, on the YouTube channel. So the leaders who do the analysis every morning, they have it there. How to do the settings on it, I'm sure the video is there, okay, the record. So on the Bollinger Band, you will see that when you widen it or, you make it small, you will see that it's also show you the zigzag, zig, zag, zig, zag, zig, and zag. So the Bollinger Band, anytime the 3 bands, you see the 3 bands, the how do you call it? The lower, the medium, and the highest, okay? So anytime, because if you want to see it properly, you have to skew it like this. Then you will know that in the past, was it downtrend? Yeah, you see it's burning down. Down, 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 down. Then after this down, how was it? Was it uptrend? Then you see up, 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 up. You see? So this Bollinger Band, if you want to notice it well, anytime they join together, the letter spread like this. They separate, okay? They separate now. During their separation, either they separate going up or either they separate going down. You have to also notice it. Okay. Then when they separate, they do something like this. You see? Yeah. They join together. They were together and then later went bam, bam up. Now they are joining together, but in the down direction. You see? Down direction, down direction. Okay? So now it is telling you A plus B that the coin is falling down, falling heavily down, falling heavily down. So this Bollinger Band, ladies and gentlemen, if you are using it, The three bands, they stand as support and resistance. Okay, so if the candles form and they form on the upper band, then it means the coin is an uptrend. Okay, so I repeat, if the candles form on the upper band, then the middle band becomes the support line. The middle and the lower one becomes support and resistance. I'm sorry for my my wrong English or my mistake English. Okay, so as on this scenario, you will see that the candles have gone down. They break this medium line and they came now and even touched this lower band. Okay, they touched the lower band. So it means even though it goes down, 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 it will not go down below here. No, it will stop somewhere here. Okay, so this one is the support. Now the third line here is the support. You see, it is the support. The support then here becomes the resistance. So whenever as I position myself, you position yourself on the coin by using your support and resistance line, then you confirm with the Bollinger Band. So now the goal here on this scenario is not to enter the coin. If you want to enter long, not now, but you can enter short and take some 1% in the future trading because it is showing you A plus beta. The coin is falling down. It is falling down. Okay, so like before, when I came in the evening time, it was somewhere here and show up the green, but I knew that it would go down. So you see, if somebody entered here during this time of this place here, you will have made easily your 1%. Sorry. In the short direction, if you position yourself in the future, okay? So here, the goal here, why I draw this line is me, I want to enter it in the long direction, okay? So I will wait for the candle to go and see whether it will touch this line here. Now, I'm in 1 hour time frame, okay? 1 hour time frame. I will now go on 30 minutes, which is the shorter time frame, 30 minutes or 15 minutes to see what is happening because 15 minutes and 30 minutes, they are nearest than the 1 hour, okay? So 30 minutes, what is 30 minutes saying? Here, 30 minutes, I'm speaking the how do you call the easiest way for you to understand it. I won't speak the big English. You see, it has tried to go up, but it is still going back down. That is the 15 minutes, sorry, it's still going back down. So it means my expectation is maybe it will come and touch this line here. Okay, so now as it is showing me, you see here, the zig, okay? So now that I am seeing on the Bollinger Band that it is on a downtrend, I will go and look for another extra confirmation, okay? The coin is on a downtrend. Don't be deceived by saying, I saw a green candle, so it will go up. You have to wait first. You have to wait, okay? So now I'm going to take what we call the stochastic RSI to join to the Bollinger Band and see what is it saying. Like maybe you are sick or have a trouble in court and you carry a lawyer. So your lawyer is telling you you will win or you will lose. So for you to get good confirmation, maybe you will say, okay, let me go and hire another 2 lawyers and see what will be their ideas, whether they will say yes, yes, like the first one or no. So it means now you don't have strong confirmation. So for you to get a strong confirmation, then you need to go for another, how do you call it, indicators to confirm what you are seeing, okay? So here, I'm going for it. So let me minimize the page here. I'll minimize the page here, sorry. Sometimes this one gives you headache. It's not easy.
Aminata, you're no more audible. You're not hearing you again.
Yeah, I think the network threw her out, so let's just wait for her.
Okay, I'm back. You see what I said. Thank you very much for reminding me. I'm back. Let me share my screen, and I'm sorry for that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let me share again. Thank you for reminding me. Sorry for that. Let me see. Am I sharing, please? Am I sharing? Let me see some yes in the chat. Am I sharing? Some yes or one, please? Am I sharing?
Not yet. You can't see us.
Okay. Are you saying now, please?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. I was looking for the stochastic RSI. I don't know why it doesn't want to appear for me. Okay, I think it's the network. Let's wait for it. It is there, but it doesn't want to appear. Let me remove it and I'll bring it back. I'll remove it and bring it back. I'll remove this and bring it back. Okay. Okay, I'm going for it. So here I have used the how do you call it? The Bollinger Band to see whether it's still going down, and it's telling me that it's going down. It will be going down a little bit before it will retrace. So before I go for the for the stochastic RSI, ladies and gentlemen, when you are using the Bollinger Band, if the candles are below this middle band and they are like around this how do you call it, the lower band, anytime you see a breakout candle, which is the green candle, start forming, going up, then it means from down there it will come and touch here. You measure your profit from this lower band to the middle band. Okay, so if your profits reach here, if it reaches here and it also breaks here, then here becomes support, then here will become resistance. Then you measure from here to this place your next or second round of profit. Okay, so let me put it on 1 hour because 15 minutes is not giving me proper what I want. Okay, so as you see, this is what I wanted trying to explain. For example, if this red candle is touched here and the green one, which is the breakout, has started, the test candle started forming, going in this direction, then you measure your profit from here to this line. Because remember, nobody controls the market. Don't be friends with the market. You have to scalp and you run away from it. If not, it can change direction and can go against you. Okay, so here I'm done with the Bollinger Band. So I'm going for the stochastic RSI. Okay, so what I use stochastic RSI, here is it. So this is what we call the stochastic RSI, the relative strength and index. Okay, so I tap on it. Then I'm going back here to the screen. So when I tap on the screen, ladies and gentlemen, what you are seeing here is what I love most. What I love most. Okay, so now you see the stochastic RSI is where it is at the oversold area. The oversold area, because these three bands here, we have the 80, 100 is up. This is halfway 50. Here is 20. So if it is below the 20, meaning it is at the oversold, it means they have sold. Traders have sold this coin until there's nothing to sell again. So buyers now want to take control and start buying. You see? So now, what are you going to do? I'll wide it properly for you to see. Let me wide it well, okay? So you see these two lines, these two snakes, they are the fighters in the market, which are you and I, you and me, okay? Buyers, which buyers stands for the green and sellers stands for the orange. I made the buyers green for it to represent the green candle, so that if I'm explaining to a newbie or a new downline, may understand that this green stands for green candles, this orange stands for red candles. That's why I changed the color to green and orange instead of blue and orange. Okay, so here, ladies and gentlemen, the best condition using this stochastic RSI, if you want to trade the coin either in spot or you want to long it in the future. Long in future means you are predicting that the coin will go up, then you make your profit. Then the robot will sell for you. You want to buy it, but after you buy here, may it go up for you. That is long. And short means I want to buy it up, then make it go down, then I make the profit. Okay, so here is the best way. Why do I say the best way? Because it is at the oversold area. The 20 is, they are telling you that where you start the journey is 20, and the line has even gone beyond the 20. So it means it is more cheaper than what you were expecting or what I was expecting. So anything cheap, it will definitely go up high, because if it is going cheap, doing shakara down, it will surely come back up. That is what you're supposed to put in your mind. So this place is the safest space. How do you call it? The safe area if you make your decision by buying a coin to make profit. So being here is it means you have 99% of chances for your coin to reach at least on the 20 or on the 30. Now somebody will buy it here and maybe it will retrace back down. Let me see in the chat. Are you following? Are you enjoying? Are you getting it? Or is difficult for you? If my explanation, is it difficult for you, please? Is it difficult for you? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? If you are new, don't shy. If you are shy and you are saying yes because others are saying yes, then you will go wrong and you will never understand it. Okay, let me see. Yes. Someone say yes. Someone say no, it's difficult. Joy says no, it's difficult. So let me read it for people like Joy to at least make them understand it. So I'm going back to my chat. Okay. Why do I excuse the chat? Because I have done here, I'm done with this part and I'm explaining here for people to understand. Now I am around this place for people to understand these two snakes here. I'm speaking the simplest English for them to understand. This indicator called relative strength index is the stochastic RSI, is the RSI. So I won't speak big English for the professional traders, but I'm speaking it for the new ones to understand. Anytime you see these two snakes, they are the ones stand as buyers and sellers, okay? Buyers and sellers. If you see that they cross this line, one up here, let me minimize the page. From here is the last stop. Let's say here is the last floor. The number 100 is the last floor. So we limit it to 80 for it to remind you that if the coin is going up and it reached 80, you have to stop it, because going to 100 is very dangerous. It is very dangerous. It means by going up here, even on the 80, your chances are getting small. It means your chances are reducing than being here. If you are here, you have high chances to make the profit for sure, and you will not even stay longer in the market. Okay, you see, as I was saying, It was on -9. You see that it's reducing to -8. It means it is trying to go up. Now, when I started right now in few seconds, this percentage was 7. Now you see buyers are 9% on the way up and sellers are 7%. When I started now, it was 7. So it means the coin is trying to retrace back up. So it is a short deal, ladies and gentlemen. So here, listen to me very carefully. You see, the more higher it was, the more lower it came back down. Okay, now it has tried to go back and it retraced down. Now it's going back up, and the perfect crossing over has happened, which is the crossing over here. I mean this scissors here. It means the buyers were down. They were down here, down. They were down. Sorry, let me show you. The buyers were down. They were down. The green stands for the buyers. They were down. Now they came and crossed the road of the sellers, and now they are taking control. So this green line here stands for this green color. So any color that you put on your two lines, it will show you the two colors here. So if your buying signal is green, then you have to check here. The green numbers here stand for your buying signal, and the red or the orange stand for the sell signal. So it means if your green is up and the number is increasing in the green box, then it means the buyers are taking control. So this 9 that you are seeing, 9.6 that is moving, it means the buyers are on 9% of the way, and the sellers, which are in red, which is orange, are 7% on the way. So let me see the person who said no in the chat. Have you understood it? I hope you got it. Have you understood it? The person who said no in the chat, who said it was difficult. Now, have you understood it? I want everybody to get it. Have you understood it? Maybe she left. Okay, now let's go. So, ladies and gentlemen, here it is telling you that the journey of the buyers has started, and they are 9%. So you are saved up to even 50% of the way, which is halfway. So you enter the coin here, position yourself either in the spot or in the long, you have more chances than who will come and buy it here. Because from here to there, you are out of the market than somebody who will come and wake up in the morning and come and enter here. So you see, now let's go. So the indicator, which is the stochastic RSI, is telling us that the coin is at the oversold area. So either it takes time or it doesn't go up now. It is a short deal by buying it when the RSI, the stochastic RSI line, is below the 20%. Okay? You'll be surprised. You can take a screenshot. You'll be surprised that tomorrow, if you wake up, this coin, it will be in green. Yeah, it will be in green. Then somebody will come and see it tomorrow and buy it tomorrow when it is in green. If you enter it, you'll be out, and the person who enter will now wait for it to go maybe more higher to make the profit. So you see, now the second indicator is telling us yes, because it is pointing up and the crossing over has happened. So second confirmation. Now I'm going to the third one. So let me remove this. Then I'll go to the third one. Then I'll later put it back. So the third one is called the moving average with the divergence and the convergence. Okay, which is the MACD. So I'll tap on the three dot. Then I come here again, indicators. Okay. Then I go for the moving average with divergence, and convergence. Okay, here is it. Here. So I tap on it. This is the third indicator. So I'm going on the graphic. Great. Now, you look here. Okay. This indicator, it also have the buying signal and the sell signal. It has it also, these two lines. You see, the two lines that you are seeing here, blue and red. Blue stands for buyers, red also stands for sellers. Okay, so these indicators, I'll make it very simple for you to understand it. It has what we call the histogram bars. Are you seeing the bars? These bars here, these bars here, okay? So let me draw it manually here for you to see what I mean. So this bars, it has what we call the zero line. Royal Q has it in its system, the 0% line, the zero line. So here stands for the green bars. They form like this on top of the zero line, which is the green bars, these green bars. And the red ones, they form like this: small, big, bigger, biggest, medium, small, and they end with small. So it does like this, thick and tack. Then in the middle, we have the two snakes, which always go like this, which are the buyers and the sellers, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope you are getting it. It's not difficult to understand. So you see here, after each group of color comes the next group of color. So it means if group of green colors form, after it finish will come the group of red colors. Okay, so the group of green colors stands for when the coin is going up, and the group of red colors stands for when the coin goes down. Okay, so it means after green will come red. After red will come what? Green. Now, you see here, what you have to notice is in every group of color, which is the green, when it starts with deep color like this, then it ends with the light color, like they are dilute, they like that, like a product that you put water to French size dilute it. How do we say it? I hope I'm speaking a good English. To how do you call it? To put water and make it light. So you see, after the deep comes the light. So the light, when it starts from big, small, smaller, and smallest. So the smallest light color means it is the end of the group of these green colors. Are you getting it? So if the green color form finish and end with the light, then it means it was the next journey will start with the red ones, but deep color of red, deep, then it's end with red, light red. So after the light red, you see, it tried to end, but deep red came again. Now it is ended with the light red. So it means after this light red form finish, then we start the journey of the green. Okay, so now, as Stochastic RSI said, yes, it is at oversold area. The Bollinger Band said, yes, it is on the third line. Where is the point itself? The third line, which is the support line. So it means this coin has the chances. It has 70% or 80% chances to go back up here and 30% chances to come down here. Okay, so you can prepare yourself. Either you preset it to this line down here, or you enter and you open margin calls to this place. I hope it is clear for you. So here you see the red histograms they want to end. The red histogram are going to their end. And this buying signal is trying to retrace to come and form what we call the crossing over. Below what? Below the 0% line. So this dot here are the lines that we call the 0%. Remember, in Royal Q, when you want to preset your buy, when Coach Mo teach in the morning, say that MACD or in the night, if you are using it, you want to preset. When you go on your settings, you will see that Royal Q put something like this: bigger than 0. I don't know whether it's higher or lower, or smaller than 0. The 0 stands for this line. It's telling you the 0 line. Do you want the golden cross or the death cross to be below or up? So this is what we call the 0 line. So for you, if you want to trade the coin in the spot and also in the long, which is the future, but long the market, then the best side to trade it is when it's about to happen below the 0 line, which is the crossing, the golden cross. Okay, so now I am in 1 hour time frame, so I'm going to 15 minutes and 30 minutes to see whether this golden cross, has it happened there before it will come and happen here or no. So I'm going in 15 or 30 minutes. You see, 30 minutes is showing you that it's about to happen. The wonderful golden cross is about to happen. You see, they are trying to cross, the blue line is trying to cross the red line here. It's trying to cross it. Now, when I go in 15 minutes, you see 15 minutes, it has happened. The golden cross has happened here. It has happened here and it's still going up. So you see it is going up because it is still below the 0% line. Okay, so now it means it is a short deal. So I will not stick on the 15 minutes, neither the 30 minutes. I will stay on my 1 hour decision until I see the golden cross. So it means I can even enter this coin now and wait patiently. Wait patiently, because from here, if the golden cross happened, I would be in profit before it will even decide to go to the zero line. So now you see, Stochastic RSI said yes. Bollinger Bands said yes. MACD said yes. So this coin, I can come and position myself here. Okay. It is below the middle line, which is the resistance line of the Bollinger Band. Then I take what we call here the price range, and I'll see what can I make. What can I make? Let me see. Price range. Yeah. From this place, okay. From this place, then I measure it to here. You see, cool 4 point. Let me tap on it. 4.29%. Okay. So this 4.29% is not by force to set it like that. I can set halfway 2%, which is short deal, and it will deliver for me. So even though I have money or I don't have money to trade it, I draw my line and I save it and come tomorrow and see whether what I saw today, will it happen tomorrow or not? So if it happens, it means I have win a trade. If I draw like these lines on 3 or 4 points on my graphic, and maybe three went to what I expected, then it means I have win 3 trades, even though I'm not trading. But in my mind, I write in my book that what I tried yesterday has worked. So I'll try and repeat it like 5 or 6 times. Then if it is working, the day I'll have the money, then I'll plan what I learned. Okay? But some of you, if the market is down like this, you will even forget that there is something called Royal Q. There is a service provider that is trading for me. You will even forget everything until if you see we posting results, then you will come with issues saying that I was not facing this, I was facing that, I was not there, I now want to learn. No, you will never get it. Okay, so now you see here, I've put my line, or if I like, I can come here and take another how do you call it, horizontal ray to mark here to see whether this will it go up or it will go down. You see, then I will wait. If I see a green candle forming from here, I enter. You see, I will enter. Or if I like, I enter here, then I open margin calls. I simply open margin calls to this side, in case if the robot buys here and the coin is going against me, may it buy the call drops that I will set here. So in between here and here, it will be the call drop that I will set. So I can go again, tap on the pencil, take the price range, simply take the price range here. Let me see price range. Price range, then I put it here from the current price, then I shift it down. You see, 4% call drop here, 4% call drop, and I tap on it. So it means in the worst scenario, if this coin, I buy it now here, and it's falling down, my 4% call drop of margin calls, the robot will apply and buy it from it. It means the robot will buy more pieces of this coin at a cheaper price. So that is how you combine the 3 different indicators, which are Bollinger Band, Stochastic RSI, and how do you call it? The moving average, which is the MACD. So if you combine them and you see this situation or this case, you enter the coin, and 80% of 70% of the cases, it will deliver for you, trust me. Or else maybe if something happened like bad news or manipulation of the market, then maybe it can go against you. But in many cases, it delivers. I've tried it. Let me show you. 2 days ago on this coin called OG. I think yesterday or 2 days ago. I tap here. You will see OG, USDT. This one, OG, you see? The same scenario, you see here? Are you seeing? I started the journey here, you see? When I started here, the coin was down. Now, do you see where it went? It even went more than my expectation. And I'll show you, I'll prove to you that we traded it, me with my team, you see? It was down here. Let me remove this. I'll remove everything and you will see. You see the line. The line is still there. It was down here. And I made the measure here to this place, but it went up to here more than what I expected. You see it 2 days ago, and also with BUST. So if you don't try it, guys, you can never know it. You have to try it and take it serious, because we are all blessed to know, or if you don't know how to use this application, it means you are blessed. You have to know it. The person who will come and teach you this application, how to read the candles, how to read the charts, how to use the indicators, that person must be your God. Because if you wake up every morning, you have to bless the person. Because if you know how to use it, you will make the money, and nobody will come and tell you lie. Tell you that to go from Nigeria to Ghana, you have to travel 1 week or 1 month. Because here we trade what we call the live trading, and it works 70, 80, or even 100, 150%. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm done with what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you will go and apply it. Apply it. If you apply it and it works for you, we come and share it, and you also share it to your downlines, which is called copy and paste. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best, and I wish good luck to everybody who took or position his or herself on their trades. And Viva Royal Q. Thank you very much. So if you have some questions, you can ask. If you have some questions, you can ask, please. Then I will reply you. I'll give you 2 or 5 or 10 minutes to ask your questions. Then let me see. Let me read the questions. Then I will reply you. Okay. Does those 2 lines have default colors? Which line? Please, can you be specific? Let me see up there from up. Questions. Okay, questions start. Why do you skew the line? Skews as how? I don't understand you. Skews as how? Please, when you ask your question, may you be specific. Ask it well, then we can maybe reply you. Okay, let me see here. Does those 2 lines have default colors? Yeah, every line that you see on the graphic, you personalize it according to your feelings, according to the color that you want. Yeah, but if you are making the colors, you have to make sure the buying signal, which is signal that is pointing up, may match with the candle, so that if in a such way, if you are explaining it to your downlines, may they not be confused, and may they know that this green, it matches with green color, this red, it matches with red color. Okay. Now I need your YouTube. The YouTube channel, we have Doris Angel, which is now Revolution, and Aminata Crypto World. Okay, so you can get some videos there, how it explains how you explore this application. So let me see here whether there are questions. Let me see. Okay, Amina, somebody say Allah bless you. Amen, Amina. Okay, question. Let me see here. Leader Kate. Okay, Leader Kate. Let me go up here and see. Yeah, I gave you the name of the YouTube channel. Now, thank you so much, my leader, for this fantastic sharing. Okay, what is the question here? Question is what? Let me see. Where did you touch to save your chart analysis settings? Thanks. Okay, it was here. Let me share it, but I don't know them. TradingView used to change things. I don't know now where it is, but let me look for it, whether I can get it. Here, before, maybe I'll ask Leader Mo. He is not around for sure us. Before, when you type here, you will see the save, to save it on your graphic. But if you want to save maybe the settings of your indicator, the specific indicator that you design according to the favorite color that you like, then you type here. You see, when you type on settings, this settings, you tap on the settings. Then once you do everything finish, either input or style, here you don't touch it, input or style, then you come here on the three dots. You see this three dots. You tap on it, then you save as default. Then you later tap on OK. So it will save the settings for you. You tap on OK. But before this update, here there was something like share. So when you tap on it and save it, it will save everything on your chart, general things that you put on your chart. But TradingView has moved it, so I will look for it, and maybe in the next Zoom, I will share it to you. Thank you very much. So let me go in the chat and see the questions. Let's see the questions. Okay. Yeah, you need the record. It's summary of sources. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, Revolution. You will see it here on Revolution, this channel. You subscribe, you see it there. And I have also my personal channel that you can get all the record of the Zooms that I make. Okay, here. Question again, please. Some of us were late, so we want the record. Yeah, it will be, we'll put it there. My training will put it there, okay? Most of us who do get hard time to get signals end up doing losses every day. Don't worry, my dear, you will get there. If you really mean to learn, you take your time and learn. And sometimes some of the leaders, some of the downlines, they want to trade all signals that we send. Sometimes you will see somebody with even $20 who has 4 coins on his royal queue. That is crazy. You trade according to your money. It's not by trading all the whole entire signal that you make your millions of 30 years in one day. No. You have to be organized and manage your wallet. You manage your portfolio, because trading many signals at one and over trading leads you to what we call floating loss or liquidation. So you need to manage your money. If you have $50, you can only trade with $15, especially when you are trading in the future. You trade with $15 and you leave the 35 as maintenance amount of money there. So if you make your good entries, every $15 can be giving you $1.5 if you are using maybe 10 leverage, or if you use 5 leverage, it will give you $0.75. Imagine if you are able to trade two coins or 3 signal in a day. Times that 1.5, how much? $4.5. You will make it. But if you have $50, you want to go and trade 5 coins because they sent 5 signals, then it will show you pancake. Okay. Okay, who says Robert Mohammed? I understand it. Understanding in not 100%, but I at least learn. Yeah, keep on coming, keep on coming, keep on coming. You know, me, I learned. I didn't learn in 6 months. I didn't learn in 1 year. I am learning since 2021. If today I have my downline who maybe have experience in trading before coming Royal Q, I will go and lay down for the person to share his knowledge to me. Yeah. You keep on learning. Trading is like cooking food in restaurant. You always learn how others cook so that you join your knowledge to it or your secret to it to get the success. Okay? What is fantastic. I love that. I will try it out this night. Remain blessed. Thank you very much. Where did you touch to say, okay, I have replied the questions already. Some of us, most of us, we didn't have time for every signals. Merci, madame. Je vous en prie, madame. Okay, so I think it's okay. I've answered all the questions. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Keep on coming. Or what you will do, the video, if they give it to you, save it in your playlist on your YouTube channel for it to stay there forever for you. Any video that, any Zoom that I attend, or any Zoom that I miss, if I see that is a good and powerful Zoom, I make sure to save those videos on my YouTube channel, not in my WhatsApp, because your WhatsApp can get full and you will delete it. But on your YouTube, it will be there forever and ever. Even your children, your grandchildren can get it. As far you have a YouTube channel, it is free. So if you save it there, the day you are free, during your free time where you are in your bed or even eating, you put it instead of watching TikTok, people nyash or people shows that they are showing funny things. If you watch a video, if we record Zoom and we give it to you, it doesn't mean you watch halfway. 80% of the people that they are among us, when you give them video, they will not even come and say, thank you very much, I've watched it, but this part, I couldn't understand it. 99% of people are like that. But when you send the results, how much capital is that? They will not even ask you, how did you do it? How did you get there? But how much capital is that? But when you send the video, they will not say, what is the meaning of this line in the video? I didn't understand. Can you explain to me? No, but you will not get there. So you will be always asking, how much capital is that? How much capital is that? Did you come in royal queue for how much capital is that? Okay, the app's name is TradingView. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me stop here. Thank you very much. Okay, which question is not unanswered? What is your question, please? I love you too, FX Queen. What is the question, please? If you ask, can you pin the question, please, or repeat it? Because we cannot close the Zoom without having answered everybody here. I have $80 as capital. Can I use it? Yes, even though you have 30, you can use it, my dear. Even though you have 30, you can use it. There is strategy that I made for $15, even strategy of $10. So why not your 80, please? You can use it, okay? Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup, and viva Royal Q. Bye from now.